In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to manage your Hostinger account. We're going to walk through the account sharing process inside Hostinger so you can safely let another user help manage your account without handing over your login details. This is especially useful if you're working with a developer, assistant, or team member and want to control what level of access they receive. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the user icon. This opens the profile menu where you'll find account-related settings. From that drop-down, click on Account Sharing. This is the area where Hostinger lets you either request access to someone else's account or grant access to your own. In this case, we want to allow another user to manage this account, so we'll be using the option to grant access. On the account sharing page, click Give Access. You may see this option more than once depending on the layout, so go ahead and click Give Access again to move into the setup screen. Now you'll be taken to the Grant Access form. Here, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the address is typed correctly, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, you'll choose the permission level. Hostinger gives you two options here, Admin or Collaborator. Admin access is more powerful, while Collaborator access is more limited. If you don't want the other user making purchases or having full account level control, Collaborator is the safer choice. For this walkthrough, select Collaborator. Once you've selected the correct access level and confirm the email looks right, click Give Access to continue. At this point, Hostinger will send a verification code to the email address associated with your own account. Go to your inbox and look for that message. Sometimes it arrives almost instantly, but in some cases it can take up to a minute. So give it a moment if you don't see it right away. Open the email, copy the verification code, then return to Hostinger and paste that code into the verification field. After that, click Confirm. Once confirmed, the access request has been sent. You should now see that access has been granted, although it may show as pending confirmation. That simply means the other user still needs to open their email and accept the invitation before they can start managing the account. That's the full process. It's quick, secure, and a much better option than sharing your personal login credentials directly. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.